can't finish the look without a little, you know, a little glam. Earrings are such a weird thing. Do you ever think about that? We put holes in our ears and then hang things from them. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me and you are new here, my name is Sarah. Welcome. Hello. Subscribe, like, do all the things. If you are a first timer on my channel, I'd love if you just left a comment below. I will be checking all of those and responding to you guys just because I like to see who's new, what you guys are looking for, what's up. Today I am creating this look right here. I was really going for like a peachy, pinky, dewy summer glam. I had a vision in my mind. I had an inspo photo and I was basically going for like some variation of that. The look was looking really good, and then I put the lip on and I was like, yes, yes. Oh, hell yeah. I also went really old school today. I like didn't set up my lights. I didn't do my background. I was like, I'm just gonna set up my camera, sit in front of this window and film this video. I want to get this up for you guys. I didn't want to make it like a huge big production just because I knew what I wanted to do in my mind and I felt like it's a beautiful sunny day. We can make this work. So that is what I did. Also have my window wide open and I'm like across from a courtyard, so there very well could be someone over in that window and that door. I can't tell because of the glare that is just looking at me talking to a camera right now. So my neighbors might think I'm psychotic. It's very, very possible. There will be timestamps in this video so you guys can skip this entire intro and start right at the tutorial if you want. Just check down below because I'll have that listed there for you. Okay, so as always, I'm gonna start this video just with a couple of life updates because I feel like I haven't like come on here and filmed just like a regular tutorial. Me and you and I, us together, just us two, or however many of you are watching this. Just like a straight up makeup tutorial in a long time. This weekend, I am so excited. I am meeting my niece for the first time. I could literally start crying as I talk about it. I'm like not emotionally stable right now. I'm like over the moon about it. I can't wait. Oh my God, get it together. So that right there is just a very clear indication of how much I'm gonna lose it when I meet her and when like I see my brother with her and my mom and my dad, my sister-in-law and Ethan. Like Ethan and I are aunt and uncle, which is so weird but so cool. I can't wait to hold her. I do want to let you know that I have a summer beach makeup tutorial from last year, I believe it is, that has like 15,000 views on it, so I think people really liked it. So if you guys are interested in like a very easy but great for the beach, outdoor, summer, sweat-proof makeup tutorial look, go check that video out. I will link it right below for you guys so you can easily find it. But yeah, let's get that video as many views as possible. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, so I think that is it. Oh, sorry, my back's itchy. Let's jump right into this video. So I'm just gonna start off by priming with this Cover FX blurring primer. I just got this in my BoxyCharm. This is totally different than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more like the Smashbox one. But so I'm just gonna work that into the areas that I want like real blurring to happen. Next, I am going in with my Cover FX Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation. I love this foundation. I'm just gonna apply that with a damp beauty blender, blending that out. I'm also going to mix a little of this L'Oreal Liquid Glow Illuminator in with my foundation. Just going to mix those two on my beauty blender. It just gives me a little bit of a glow. I'm really just hitting the high points of my face with that, but blending it all out. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, tried and true. This is just my basic kind of base look that I do, like with my foundation and concealer kind of every day. Just trying to cancel out redness, but give the face a little bit of dimension at the same time. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. So I'm just gonna spot conceal a little bit and I'm gonna pat that out with my finger. I find that works the best when I have blemishes over like a beauty blender or a brush. I don't know why. I think because I can control exactly where the product goes and how to blend it. Listen, construction, guys. They're still working downstairs. Do you understand how long it has been? I don't think we've lived here when there hasn't been construction. What could you still be banging? We've gone down there. It's done. The apartment's done. I honestly think they're just down there banging on the wall for fun. Okay, so I've recently been setting with this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. My mom just happened to have a ton of this and she snuck it in my bag when I left after Mother's Day weekend, so thanks, Mom. And I've been really liking setting my under eye. It just seems to like blur everything a little bit more. There's like a little bit of a color in it. It's not stark white. I don't know, I've really been liking it. I'm going to quickly pop on my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to bronze with my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. This has been an everyday product since I've gotten it. This has become such a staple in my collection. Probably my favorite bronzer I've ever used. Sounds like a bold statement, but it's true. So this is gonna really warm up my face and give me a nice sun-kissed glow. Do a little on my nose. Now we're starting to look like a person. Like a real girl. I'm going to use 2 palettes for this eye look. This Tarte Clay Play Volume 2 palette and the Tartelette Toasted palette. These both have really good peachy, warm shades, and that's the look that I'm going for today. I'm gonna start in the Toasted palette. I'm using my Morphe M43 M441, and I'm gonna mix, I think, these 2 shades right here, and I'm gonna put those in my crease. So that was Cashmere and Sunrise. If you have this palette, you can follow along with this. I'm just going to dust this right in the crease. Just like this, backward and forward. I can zoom you in a little more to my eye so you can really see my eye. Oh! I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of a precise brush here. This is my R37, and I'm gonna hit this shade Warmth. So we're just gonna warm that up even more. Kind of swirling that right here. Bringing it outward. Yes. Really light hand, you guys. If you push down and have a heavy hand with this, it's going to be so much harder to blend out. So you just want to be nice and light. Just going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and blend that out even more. No product on this brush. And I'm going to go back into the crease with the shade Latte right here. So we don't want to be like super orange. We just want like a peachy vibe. Like a brown peachy vibe, you know? And I'm going to go in with the blush shade right here in the Clay Play. And this is going to make me real pink, real rosy. Oh yeah, that's what Mama needed. That is so pretty. Wow. Okay, cool. Now, let's do the lower lash line. This is the Morphe E17. I always use this for my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with that pink shade and bring that all the way down here. Go ahead and pick up any brown, like brownish black eyeshadow that you have, and we're going to put that on a flat brush and do our liner. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I actually am going to tap into the black a little bit too because I kind of want both. And then I'm going to keep this focused right on the outer part of my eye because I kind of want to blow out this part of my eye. I'm not too concerned about the inner corner. And then a little bit on the lower lash line as well. And I'm just going to smoke out this lower lash line a little bit more so that it's not like too dark, like in one spot. Just blend that out. Okay, so I'm going to mix this blush right here, Luminoso from Milani. This is like one of my favorite peachy, shimmery, beautiful blushes. And I'm going to mix it with this shade Desert. I use that on my eye. And I'm going in with my Sigma F18. This is like my new favorite blush brush. It's just like applying my blush so nicely and evenly. Just gonna go in with a little mascara. Oh my god, stupid emails. Not even important ones, just like your Venmo transaction history, check it out. Like, yeah, I know I paid people money for stuff. Why do you have to remind me? I just want like really thick, defined lashes today because the look that was my inspo, she's definitely wearing falsies. I like to make things a little bit more wearable for like real life, so I didn't want to wear them today just because like I want to be creating videos for you guys that you can actually do yourself, and I just think it's so unrealistic to expect everybody to put on lashes with every makeup look that you do. So I try to like keep the lashes really minimal. I think for an event, for like a glam night out, oh nice, I think lashes are amazing. I mean, I love lashes. I would wear them every day. I think they make you look great, but realistically a lot of people aren't going to be putting them on daily or even like weekly. So I want to make things wearable and realistic for you guys. I'm going to show you a little trick of how I get my mascara off my face when that happens. So you just want to let that completely dry, right? Don't touch it. Don't freak out and be like, oh, leave it. Then I take like a little spoolie brush. You can use your fingernail too, but I find that this works a little bit better. And once it's completely dried, I just go over it and I kind of like get it right off. It comes right off and it doesn't mess up your eyeshadow at all. And you're Gucci. You see that? Amazing. I don't know, it works. That's all I'm saying, people, okay? You heard it here first. Okay, we need to add a little bit of shimmer. I'm using the Bretman Morphe highlight palette. This thing is so gorgeous. I just want to give the packaging in general just like a minute because I can appreciate how beautiful this is. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm definitely a sucker for good packaging. So when I saw this, I was like, this is so pretty. And these are the shades on the inside. You see you have a good selection of highlights. This lightest highlight right here, it's called Baby Girl. And I'm just gonna go right in here. And this is gonna brighten up your eyes so much. I'm gonna put the shade Candle from the Tartelette Toasted palette. I'm gonna put that right on top. This is gonna be a good combo. Yep. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm gonna mix these two shades right here. I'm gonna set my face with this Urban Decay Chill, and I'm gonna do this before I highlight because then when I put my highlight on, it's just gonna like beam. No, don't talk for like 15 seconds. Don't laugh, don't smile, look like a psycho. Am I the scariest human on the planet? I might be. I might just be. These are so crazy pigmented, these highlights. But look at this highlight, you guys. Come on. I want you guys to really see that because it's such a crazy blinding highlight. Get a little right here. Don't forget your Cupid's bow. I feel like that's a game changer also. That's actually perfect. This is the exact shade that I was searching for. Okay, this is the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. I talked about these on my Instagram story and I really like the formula of these, you guys. Like, they go on so nice. And this is like the exact shade I was looking for. Let's apply that. Oh yeah. Oh my god, you guys, these smell incredible. And they feel so moisturizing, which is huge for me for lip products. Something that feels good and is moisturizing and doesn't feel like sticky or too creamy. This just feels like, honestly feels like a chapstick. Okay, and then just because I want to be like really glossy, really shiny, I'm going over that with Pink Sorbet. This is another Neutrogena lip product. This is the Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. And this is just gonna like take the shine to the next level. We did it, people. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. This was my inspo. I feel like I nailed it. I really wanted to go for like a peachy, pinky, summery, glowy vibe, and I think we killed it. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. I'm coming closer. Just my be more annoying. Could you be more annoying? I don't think so. These people are out of their mind.